Hey everyone, iHaadi here. Today we're talking about the latest new iPhone 14 series. Obviously, you guys know Apple's event was yesterday where they dropped the all-cool iPhone 14 series, the iPhone 14 Pros, and their amazing new standing out feature, and the new iPhone 14 Plus. Bye-bye to the mini anyways. It was a good run. I think I used one of them. Yeah, I regretted it. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button, turn on post notifications right now. So basically, what I'm going to do is just throw a little more light to the event yesterday. The phones haven't come out publicly yet, although they'll be available for pre-order soon enough here. But then, let's start with the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus. Both feature a 60Hz display with a new camera system that has autofocus, and then basically the same notch with the last year's iPhone 13 series. So no more changes there, except that they released a bigger version, a 6.7-inch version for the iPhone 14 Plus. Yeah, also at a cheaper price with the features of the iPhone 13 Pro, the 5-core GPU and A15 Bionic chip. And also it has the biggest battery. Apple claims it's the best battery ever on iPhone. So iPhone 14 Plus is definitely an eye catcher for this kind of users that are on a budget and they want the best features on a big size. Yeah, I like as there are no more inferior sizes. Yeah, every single size is comfortable to use. Apple says something about a photonic engine, like naming their stuff obviously. Yeah, that's the new camera image processing system on the iPhone 14 series that's supposed to deliver even better images. Yeah, also we feel like an iPhone 13 case should fit on an iPhone 14. That's how similar they look. Yeah, and the iPhone 14 Pros have a kind of camera bump. It's quite noticeable compared to the last year's iPhones. Yeah. Another thing to note is the introduction of Apple's new emergency SOS via satellite, where all you have to do is point your phone at the sky, clear sky. Yeah, after they managed to shrink all the components needed for satellite communication down to the iPhone. Yeah, so that's quite amazing. But in my country, we definitely won't have any satellite pointing at us. Yeah, we're in the dark, obviously. Yeah, but that's a new feature. Hopefully, I would love to see tests on it and all. There's also something new called an action mode that is supposed to help, for steady videos while rigorous action is going on. Yeah, like when you're shaking the phone, you'll see steady videos, like what you can see when I'm showing you. So I guess that's just it. Apologies for the noise in the background. Anyways, we move over to the iPhone 14 Pro series, the start of the event. Yeah, so there is something new called Dynamic Island. We're going to be talking about it later, but the name is pretty ridiculous. I don't know why Apple has to keep naming their stuff like they're in one kind of sci-fi movie. It's funny and dull, but we'll talk about it later. First of all, let's talk about the other changes. New always on display, and then there is new design, the pill notch, quite innovative, even for the vehicle's name. Also, there is a new camera, a 48 megapixel sensor. Yeah, and then the screen brightness goes all the way to 2000 nits peak brightness. That's quite twice as it was before. So that's, for all we know, the iPhone 14 Pro series have everything the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus have already. So that's just it. Helps you shoot 48 megapixel camera pictures, but you need to use something called Pro RAW for that. Yeah, there was run out this Pro RAW that allows you to shoot for even more crisp and clear detail, even more than the eye can see with the macro. And then the regular picture taking will still come out in 12 megapixels, but you have to shoot in Pro RAW to reach that 48 megapixel standard. I guess that will take more space. Yeah, so I guess it's a good thing. It's an optional setting to use something like that. And among other things, the iPhone 14 Pro series comes in a new color, a kind of deep purple. People are really seeming to fall for that color on Twitter. Yeah, so that's basically all there is for the iPhone 14 Pro series with their new Dynamic Island, which adjusts, it splits into bubbles for multiple apps. It works with running stock apps for now, and I know third-party apps are going to take advantage of that eventually. Yeah, so that's quite crazy. iPhone 14 releases. So see you guys soon enough. Like the sun is setting here, so the lighting is quite weird. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or discussions or comments, or you wanna throw some shades upward, feel free to do that in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notifications. See you guys next time.